mag tuke maromo kocha prayo kod abich mag adhula noyuore romo mar abich matiego jopuonj adhula ne lessons mar CAF Class B kathothgi gin kocha mag timbe mapacho kae mag adhula. Mokuomgi oting'o jalup kocha mar Kakamega Homeboys Jeff Odongo, Mai Kwashira mar Eldoret Falcons, George Owoko mar Shabana FC kod Tom Tera mar Luanda Villa. Puonj makama nochakore higa mar 2016 kendo timore higa ka higa.
So implementing has been easy because you find you're doing the same curriculum. So even if my head coach is not there, I still know what to do because now we have the knowledge.
It is very important for coaches to be knowledgeable, and it is important because now we'll be doing the right things. We'll try to develop the players in the right way at the right age, and this allows us to have a very competitive league in future and also a national team.
We've done a lot of them, even on grassroots outside Nairobi. We have it, and so many people are turning out. And the interesting thing is now, people who are coming for these courses are people who are already attached to some grassroots clubs.